Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am doing a tag. This is called the Summer Tag, and I saw this on the channel Bella D Designs. If you're not familiar with Bella, she is a lovely person, and she has a YouTube channel. She does home remodeling as her business, and she loves to decorate her own home. So I'm sure you will love her channel as much as I do, so go ahead and check her out. But she tagged everybody in this tag, so I am going to go ahead and do this. As I mentioned in another tag, I'm doing a lot of home remodeling projects right now, so I haven't been doing a lot of decorating in my house, but I thought it would be fun to do some get to know me videos, and this is one of them. So why don't we get started? Okay, so for this tag, there are 12 questions. The first question is, what is your favorite thing about summer? Well, my favorite thing about summer used to be the weather, because we hardly ever get any rain. Where we live, it's usually pretty nice, upper 70s, lower 80s. Usually our humidity is pretty low, but today we're getting a monsoonal flow and it's very hot and humid, hence my hair being all pulled back. But now my favorite thing about summer is that I get to be home during the summer with my husband. I went into what I call semi-retirement about a year and a half ago, and my husband is still working, but he is a high school teacher, so he is off during the summer, so we get to spend a lot more time together than we used to, and we get to do things like work on these remodeling projects together, rather than him having to bear the burden of doing them all by himself. The second question is beach or pools? Well, I like both, but we don't go to our community pool that often because we live in the neighborhood where the people go to the same high school where my husband teaches. So he really does not want any of his students or other students at the high school taking pictures or video of him while he's at the pool. So we don't go to the pool that often. We don't really go to the beach that often to actually sunbathe, but we do go down to the beach quite frequently to walk along boardwalk or along, there's a marina not too far from here. We walk along the marina. It's a very nice long walk. And then there's some tide pools, and it's just really fun to go down there. Really beautiful most of the time. So we do go mostly to the beach. Number 3, are you going on a summer vacation? If not, what is your dream vacation? Well, because we are doing this remodeling this year, that is our summer vacation. So we're not really going on vacation, but my dream vacation is either Hawaii or Europe. I love going to Hawaii and I love going to Europe. So those are my two places that I love to go to again and again. However, I do want to go to Australia. I love koalas, and I would just love to see them in their own natural habitat. We are lucky enough, we live about an hour and a half north of the San Diego Zoo, and they have koalas there. So I do get to see koalas close to where I live, but I really would like to see them in Australia. Number 4, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Anything with chocolate in it. I love chocolate. Right now though, my favorite ice cream is actually the Indulge chocolate peanut butter. Indulge, if you're not familiar with it, it actually is a lower carb ice cream. It's sweetened with erythritol and stevia, I believe, and maybe monk fruit, I'm not sure, but it actually is low carb, so I can have some of that. So that is what I'm really liking right now, that chocolate peanut butter Indulge. Number 5, soft serve or regular ice cream? I'm not really a soft serve type of person. I've never really liked mushy ice cream that much, so I would have to say regular ice cream. But you know, if soft serve's available and that's all that there is, I won't turn it down necessarily. Number 6, your most fun summer memory. I have a lot of fun summer memories, but probably a more recent one is after my younger daughter graduated from high school. We went on a trip to Europe. She and my husband spent 3 weeks there. I got to spend about 10 days with them. I had to go back to work. But I really enjoyed that trip. And we didn't rent a car. We traveled by train everywhere we went. And I got to see a lot of things I hadn't seen before. So that's probably my most fun summer memory right now. Number 7, do I tan or do I burn? Well, even though my skin is kind of ivory colored, I actually can tan. If I stay out too long, I will burn. But most of the time, if I'm out for just a little while, I tan. But I do try not to stay out without having sunscreen because I know, sun damage. I don't want to have that. My skin get all leathery and potentially get skin cancer. So I try not to get too tan. Number 8, favorite summer candle. Well, right now I have a Coastal Breeze candle in my guest bathroom. I'm not sure exactly where it came from. I think I got it as a gift, so I really don't know to tell you, but it does smell like a coastal breeze. It's very evocative of the seashore. Number 9, favorite summer song. I don't really have a favorite summer song. The songs that always make me think of summertime are the Beach Boys songs, so I will just have to go with that. Number 10, favorite summer movie. Well, when I was really little, I saw this movie with Judy Garland and Van Johnson, and if you're not an old movie buff, you may not know who that is. But it was called In the Good Old Summertime, and there's actually a song in it, In the Good Old Summertime, and I really liked watching that movie a lot, so I'll go with that one. Number 11, do you like seafood? I love seafood. Any kind of seafood. Lobster, shrimp, crabs, scallops, mussels, any kind of seafood. I absolutely love it. Number 12, what annoys you most about summer? Now I would say that summer is over. It used to annoy me when my girls were younger that my daughters and my husband all got to stay home during the summer and I had to go off to work. And I don't have to do that anymore. So what annoys me most now about summer would probably be when it gets humid like this. I don't do well in humidity. So we don't have that humidity that often, like I said, but sometimes we get it and I really don't like that. So those are the 12 questions. I want to thank Bella for tagging all of us to do this. I hope you enjoyed listening to them. And like I mentioned in the intro, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week. So why don't you consider subscribing by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box. And if you're a YouTube creator and you haven't done this tag yet, well then tag you're it. So go ahead and do this tag and let me know, and I'll come over and see the answers that you gave. Sometimes it's fun to do these chatty videos. So I hope you'll consider doing it. That's it for now, everyone. I want to thank all of you for watching. I love all of my subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you're having a wonderful summer so far. Bye-bye.